subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Angular supports two-way data binding. What is two-way data binding? We will learn in this video. Let's create a variable name, channel name of type any inside home.component.html or home.component.psy and a function submit name and console.log this channel name inside it. So after consoling this channel name inside it, we will go to home.component.html file. Create a button with click event calling function. Click event calling function. Submit name on click. Now as you can see, the submit name is the function that we have already created and consoling this channel name. Now let's try to create an input tag in home.component.html. The type of it should be text and bind an input element with ng model with value channel name. The value channel name, that is the variable we have created in home.component.ts with of type in. So on saving the changes, we can see the input field. The button is missing. I forgot to add the text to the button. Let it to be submit button. So save the changes. Let's try to add some text like NSCODE in the field. On click of submit, you can see the input value in the developer console. Let's try to add more text to it and click on submit button. NSCODE channel. As you can see, the value of input element NSCODE channel is in our developer console. Now go to home.component.html. Here inside the interpolation, write the variable channel name and save the changes. Let's try to make it inside a div. So we will try to give it a div. Now as you can see, the value of channel name is changing on the screen. Now if I try to change the input text, you can see that data of the channel name on the screen also changes. This is two-way data binding. In simple words, the data value is updating as well as the view also at the same time is updating. On submit of click button, it is still provides the value.